We discussed the location service class. Now let's see how this maps into the UI. Back in the map form, we can change the map layer code, which during mockup just featured a fixed position car image. We bind to the location service, where we get a callback every time a driver comes into play. We create a label for every car and set the icon with the right angle. We keep the angle in a client property, so when there is a change event, we can check if the angle actually changed. One important piece of information that might not be clear from the code is that the car image must be square. We use the rotate method on the car image, which assumes a square image, otherwise it will appear cropped. We place the new car where the user is located thanks to the map layout. The change listener on the angle property automatically rotates the icon image in the right direction, but it does that only if the angle changed to avoid performance penalty. We update latitude and longitude separately, but we need to guard against duplicate changes, so we first test the existing value. We can't replace a constraint in the layout, so we remove the component and add it back. Animate layout should still work in this case, and it will move the car gracefully to its new position. Once all of this is done, we should be able to see everything working. Right now, we don't have drivers in our database, but we can add a fake driver by pushing an entry to the MySQL database. This will create a fake driver entry and allow you to see him when you log in. Assuming you configured the values in globals.java, you should be able to run the server and client, then activate the device using SMS and see the driver. I used the password from my account, so I would be able to log in as the driver later. You can just copy the same password value from your account, as you already know the password.